Welcome back to the Luso CAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video, we will go over the snap feature in Luso CAD, which allows us to easily select precise locations on objects, like midpoints and corners. The snapping menu is located in the Model View toolbar, which is located below the Model View. When we click on it, we will be presented with many snapping options. Here we can pick and choose which locations of any object we want our cursor to snap to. These are called running object snaps. Here we have an example object that will be of use for illustrating each snapping. When we select each of them, they will stay activated permanently unless we disable them. We will be able to tell that we encountered an object snap by the green square that will appear on our cursor when we hover a snap point. Let's go over each object snap. The first one is endpoint, so if we want to draw a line starting from the end of any line, for example, we can use this object snap. The second one is midpoint, which will guarantee that we easily know where the middle point of an object is. Next is center, for the center of circles. Geometric center will snap to the centroid of any object. Node will, in turn, snap to any singular point we draw using the point command. Quadrant will logically snap to circle quadrants. Intersection will snap to the point where two lines cross each other. Insert is useful for when you are inserting blocks, as it allows you to snap them. We will go over blocks in a future chapter. Perpendicular will allow us to draw a line perpendicular to the other, forming a straight angle. Tangent is referring to the point where two geometries meet, but exactly on a single point. Nearest works when we want to snap to the nearest point on the drawing. As we can see, this snap will not give us very precise points, but will snap to the entire geometry. Apparent intersection is for cases where two objects appear to intersect, but in fact don't. This could be caused by drawing in the 3D plane, where two lines are overlapped but don't intersect on the same plane. Extend will let us snap to the extended trajectory of a line, letting us draw on an imaginary extension of the line. Parallel will let us draw parallel to a reference line. It's good to know that ortho mode might make this snap object hard to use. First, when we start the line, hover over the reference line until the snap appears. Then, keep changing the angle until the snap reappears and lets us know that we are exactly parallel. The distance snap will allow us to set a distance which will be started from the endpoint of the line, and the distance from the endpoint to the set value will be snappable. Finally, the divide snap will allow us to choose a number of segments, and the snap will show us the divisions in the line for each segment. These were all the snap options available in Luso CAD. Keep watching the course to find new situations where these snaps are useful.